How's it going? This is Davor from Derokki, and in this video I'll show you how to edit form states on secondary locals when you're building multi-language Webflow websites. And so a good friend of mine just actually sent me this problem that he had, and it's that when you have a form block in Webflow, you typically have the normal, success, and error states, as you can see right here. But however, if you build a multi-language website and you go to a secondary local, in this case, let's say it's Arabic, now suddenly if you select the form block, you're not able to actually access the success and error states. And so the way to work around this is actually by using an attribute that's part of the RTLflow Styleguide. If you haven't seen it, it's a CSS system for developing multi-language websites using right to left languages like Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, and more. And you can also clone it right here. It's built on top of Client First 2.1. So if you're building multi-language websites, it has lots of nice tools that you can use to edit secondary locals to make your life easier, essentially. Even if you're not using an RTL language, if it's like a German English build or a French English build, this will help you a lot. And the code that we're going to use for this is if you go to the Global Styles RTLflow component, go into RF Global Styles, essentially the code you want to write is this one, RF display block. So this is the attribute that we're going to add. And then we open up the brackets, display block, exclamation mark, important, okay? This is the code you want to use. And so I'll write this in a separate blocks in case you're, I'm assuming, not using the current style guide here. I'll show you how to do this using an embed, okay? So you add embed, you write style, like this, and then you write RF display block, and display block is important, okay? This is the code you want to use on all your pages where you need that thing to happen. So if I now go to a success state and I say I want to edit the success state, what I will do is I'll add an attribute of RF display block, and now suddenly, as you can see, the success message actually pops up, and you can go and you can translate it, in this case to Arabic, and we can go to the error message, and we can say RF display block, like this. We can translate this as well. And so now, as you can see, we've translated both states to Arabic, and what we can do now is we just remove the attribute, and now everything is translated and works properly. And of course, if you want to like customize the specific success state, you can target the class itself, or you can add another custom attribute, just like we've done here. And you can say RF, element is success state, right? And then you target a specific element, and you can change the CSS, for example, change the colors or whatever you want to do. So that's just a quick a quick tutorial tip on how to edit the states on forms, and I hope this helped. And yeah, I'll see you in the next lesson. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll make videos on this, and yeah, see you then.